In this video, you'll learn how to create a default pricing procedure in your commerce store. In Setup, click the App Launcher. Then search for and select Expression Set Templates. Under the Name column, click Commerce Default Pricing Procedure. In the top right corner of the page, click Save As, then select New Pricing Procedure from the drop-down. In the window, enter a number in the rank field, check the Active box, and click Save. In the Quick Find box, search for Salesforce Pricing and select Salesforce Pricing Setup. In the Select a Pricing Recipe section, click the drop-down menu and select Commerce Default Recipe. Optionally, in the Select a Pricing Procedure section, click the drop-down and select Commerce Default Pricing Procedure. Click the Sync button and then Confirm to complete the pricing data sync. Go back to the Commerce app, then navigate to Settings, Store, and Pricing. Scroll down to the Subscription Management section. To finalize the store setup, ensure that the Subscriptions toggle is enabled. To learn more, check out our other videos and explore related topics with Agentforce on help.salesforce.com. Thanks for watching.